Feeling overwhelmed with exams? Staring at a mountain of books and struggling to remember everything you study? I get it, but don't worry because today I'm going to show you how to study smarter, not harder, and absolutely master any subject quickly. These aren't just random ideas. They are proven, powerful tips used by top students all over the world. And the best part is you can start using them today to skyrocket your memory, sharpen your focus, and crush your exam results. Let's dive in. First up, and this is crucial, plan your study sessions. Think of yourself as the CEO of your own education. A CEO wouldn't go into a big project without a plan, and neither should you. Break down your study time into manageable chunks. A great method is the 50-10 split, 50 minutes of intense, focused work, followed by a 10-minute break to recharge. When you're planning your day, always tackle the most difficult topics first. Your brain is freshest at the beginning of a session, so use that peak energy for the heavy lifting. Create a checklist for each day. Ticking off tasks gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps that overwhelming feeling at bay. This simple step of organizing your time will dramatically reduce your stress and make studying feel less like a chore and more like a mission. Next, let's talk about tip number 2, active learning. This is the secret weapon that separates the A-plus students from everyone else. Passive reading, where you just skim your eyes over the textbook, is one of the least effective ways to learn. Instead, you need to engage with the material actively. After reading a chapter, close the book and summarize what you just learned in your own words. Can you explain the core concepts? If not, go back and review. Create flashcards for key terms, formulas, or dates. They are perfect for quick recall sessions, and one of the most powerful active learning techniques is practice. Get your hands on past exam papers or find online quizzes. Applying your knowledge is the ultimate test of understanding. Want to take it to another level? Try teaching the concept to someone else. Explaining a topic out loud forces your brain to organize the information logically and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Our third tip is a game changer for long-term memory, spaced repetition. Your brain is not designed to absorb a massive amount of information all at once. That's why cramming the night before an exam feels so stressful and rarely works. Spaced repetition is the opposite. Instead of cramming, you review your notes and flashcards multiple times over increasing intervals, for example, after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, and so on. This technique signals to your brain that this information is important and needs to be moved from short-term to long-term memory. You don't have to manage this manually. There are fantastic apps like Anki or Quizlet that use spaced repetition algorithms to make this process incredibly easy and efficient. It might feel like you're studying less, but you're actually retaining so much more. Moving on to tip number 4, focus and minimize distractions. In today's world, our attention is our most valuable asset and it's constantly under attack. To study effectively, you need to create a fortress of focus. Find a designated study zone, a space where you do nothing but study. Your brain will start to associate that location with deep work and the biggest enemy of focus, your phone. Turn off all notifications, or better yet, put it in another room, out of sight, out of mind, to maintain your focus over longer periods. Use a time management technique like the Pomodoro method. It's simple. Study for a focused block of time, usually 25 to 50 minutes, and then take a short 5 to 10-minute break. These breaks aren't for scrolling social media. They're for stretching, getting a glass of water, or just resting your eyes. This rhythm keeps you from burning out and makes your study sessions far more productive. And our fifth tip, which is often the most overlooked, is to take care of your brain and body. Your brain is an organ, and it needs proper fuel and rest to function at its best. Trying to study when you're sleep deprived is like trying to drive a car with no gas. It's not going to get you very far. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is when your brain consolidates memories and processes what you learned during the day. What you eat also matters. Swap sugary snacks for brain boosting foods like nuts, fruits, and yogurt. And don't forget to move your body. Exercise isn't just for physical health. It's incredible for your mind. Even a short 15-minute walk can improve your concentration, reduce stress, and boost your memory. Don't ever underestimate the power of a healthy routine. It's the foundation for all effective learning. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip for you. If you ever find yourself struggling with procrastination, use the 2-minute start rule. Tell yourself you're only going to work on a task for just 2 minutes. Read one page, solve one problem, write one sentence. Anyone can do something for 2 minutes, right? What's amazing is that starting is often the hardest part. Once you get going, you build momentum and it becomes much easier to continue. It's a surprisingly effective trick to beat procrastination and get yourself into a productive study flow. So there you have it. By planning your sessions, using active learning, embracing spaced repetition, eliminating distractions, and taking care of yourself, you will transform the way you study. You will not only learn more efficiently but also retain that knowledge for longer and walk into your exams with confidence. You can absolutely do this. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content just like this, and share this video with any friends who could use some better study strategies. Thanks for watching and happy studying.